Goeiemôre julle in en ommers en ek staan vandag by 'n besluit wat ek moet neem. Velddrif toe of Kaapstad toe? Wie dink julle gaan wen? Ek dink ons gaan Velddrif toe want dit is waar Timeless Treasures with a Modern Twist Restoration. Kom saam met my, dan kom hoor julle waaroor het ek en Bruce gesels. Goeiemiddag julle in en ommers. Ons kuier heerlik hier in Velddrif by Timeless Treasures with a Modern Twist. En vandag gesels ons nie met Belinda nie, maar met haar ander helfte Bruce, wat Timeless Treasures Restoration het. Goeiemiddag Bruce.
Goeiemiddag.
Baie dankie dat jy tyd aan ons afstaan en dat ons bietjie met jou kan gesels oor wat jy nou doen.
Baie dankie dat jy tyd spandeer met ons.
Bruce, jy's die ou wat eintlik agter die skerms werk.
Korrek.
Wat doen jy?
Ek doen al die restaurasiewerk. Belinda is die brains van die maatskappy and I'm the brawn of the company. So she does all of the research, the finding, then we go out and we collect items together, and then when we get them back at the showroom, that's when I get the instruction from Belinda, it just needs a light sanding. Maar ons weet wat dit bedoel. It's strip it down completely, fix it all up and do a proper restoration job.
So you like you said, you unpuzzle the puzzle.
I unpuzzle the puzzle. So I try and look and see how it was originally built by whichever carpenter or company. And then the challenge is, it's like being a MacGyver. It's trying to use modern hand tools to fix something and let it stay cherished by a family for another 50 or 100 years.
Ja. Bruce, was hierdie 'n passie van jou om met hout te werk van kinderdae af? Het jy ooit daaraan gedink?
Toe ons jong was by skool, graad 3, no, standard 3, I don't know what that is now with the grades. We did woodwork right up until standard 8.
Ja.
And the first and only time I ever gave a teacher a present was in standard 3 when I gave my woodwork master a hammer at the end of the year. So he obviously instilled a love for wood with me. But with the academic way we were trained, once you finished standard 8, you went academic.
Ja.
And I've always enjoyed working with my hands. And when I was coming to the end of my motor industry career, I was there for 35 years. I thought, well, what can I do for another 15 years? And I went online and I found a retired lawyer whose passion was woodwork. And he was teaching woodwork lessons in Cape Town. So right from the beginning all over again, he took us right through to carpentry building. And when Belinda started her company, that's when we realized there was an opportunity for me to get out of the motor industry and carry on with that passion. And I think fate and being blessed also helped me that when we came here, I met an elderly gentleman called Oom Dries.
Ja.
And Oom Dries unfortunately passed away 2 years ago. But he was very knowledgeable and he became my mentor. So what I used to do with him is I would get something that had to be fixed and I would phone Oom Dries and I would go to his workshop and I would pay him to do it, but he would teach me how to do it.
Oh, fantastic.
So we had a knowledge transferal between the two of us.
Ag, dit is so belangrik,
ja,
né?
Dit was baie belangrik vir my want hy het ook geraak en hoe ouer jy raak, hoe minder kan jy met jou hande doen. Jy het alles in jou kop, but your hands don't work like they should. So it was a lovely relationship between him and I that I had to learn quickly and he wanted to pass his knowledge on to somebody. So I was very blessed with Oom Dries.
Ja, dit is iets wat regtig ons almal aan moet dink is om ons vaardighede oor te dra.
Absoluut. Ja.
Want die tyd gaan so vinnig verby en daai vaardighede gaan heeltemal verlore.
Absoluut.
Sê vir my hout. Is jy lief vir hout?
Yeah, I think a lot of people that know me that I'm normally covered in dust. You can't delegate a job to anybody unless you've done it and understand how it's done. So in restoration, it's very difficult to hand a job to somebody. You actually have to do it yourself.
Ja.
And sanding actually allows you to smell the wood, to help identify the wood. And strangely enough, you can actually smell some of the history. If it was a bedroom drawer that you're doing,
Yeah.
you can actually sometimes smell the perfume
Really?
coming out of the wood. If it was in a study, you can sometimes smell that old wood or leather smell. But wood, I love wood, especially when you get a restoration job. It's
Yeah.
had years and years of varnish over and over, and it hides the true beauty of the wood that's underneath. So I have the greatest joy of being able to get rid of all of those years of muck and see the wood the way the original carpenter saw
Ja.
it when he built it.
Fantasties. Bruce, as ek 'n stoel het wat ek graag wil laat restoreer of regmaak, kan ek as buitestander dit inbring hiernatoe?
Ja, absoluut. Dis nou 'n groot gedeelte van die werk wat ek doen is ander mense meubels te herstel so that they stay in the family for more generations. So normally what will happen is they'll either phone Belinda or they'll phone me. We then start WhatsApping so I can have a look at the damage, and then I get it in. Because the only way to actually know how to estimate is to actually open up the item, see what the damage is. And a lot of the work that I do now is families restoring key pieces of furniture. All these modern houses are all built the same. But what a lot of people are doing now is they're taking antiques and key pieces of furniture, restoring them, and then they become an item, a story within all the sort of normal furniture that there
Ja,
is.
dit word soos 'n middelpunt of 'n
Ja,
hoogtepunt.
Hoogtepunt
wat
van daai.
in daai huis, ja.
Absoluut.
Maar baie dankie dat jy vandag bietjie met
Ja,
ons
plesier.
gesels het en
Dankie vir die
bietjie
tyd.
jy ons vertel het wat in jou hart aangaan. So julle Timeless Treasures with a Modern Twist en Timeless Treasures Restoration is op een perseel.
That's korrek. Ek werk agter Belinda se showroom.
En hy is baie besig. Ons sien hom al die hele dag op en af hardloop. So indien jy van jou oudhede wil laat herstel, moenie laat enige iemand daaraan werk nie. Kom na iemand toe wat 'n passie het en 'n liefde het vir die herstel van dit. En dankie Bruce.
Baie dankie vir u tyd.
Julle moet mooi loop.
Baie dankie.